Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix the export tag HTTP header is not set to none warning. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now in header section, you see export tag none. So we are going to fix this. Now go to hosting and find .htaccess file. So this is our .htaccess file. So right click on it and click on edit. Now file is open and then you see header always set export tag none. Now replace none with noindex nofollow. Now in code you see we replace none with noindex nofollow and then click on save file and you'll find this header in video description or in comment section. Now click on save file and then you see success message. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now right click on it and then click on inspect element. Then you see network, so click on it and then press Ctrl R. Now scroll up, you see staging, so this is our website folder. So click on it and then you see header, journals, response header and then you see S report tag no index no follow. We added in .htaccess file. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.